This is my Mewtwo Lamp. I'm going to teach you how to build it in this video. For the body, we will be using this glass froth master. I believe you put milk in it, you do this, and it makes it froth up for coffee or whatever. I do not drink coffee, so I will not miss this piece of junk that I have. We'll fit these LEDs in here and hook up to an Arduino. So first, I'm going to be taking this little piece off. Notice the ring lights fit perfectly around the bottom like that, so I'm going to go ahead and cut out all these edges here. Now, this fits at the bottom. We'll be able to put the lights underneath and it'll show through really nicely. Alright, I found this cool little Mewtwo toy at a garage sale, and we're going to go ahead and cut the base off of it and fill in with clay. As you can see, we got them hollowed out nicely. We're just going to take some old Sculpey and fill it in. So I've discovered something pretty neat. I've decided I'm not going to mold him. I think I can get him to float at the optimal height by using clay and its own buoyancy. The way I would do this is by, as you see, putting it in and out and adding more or less to try to calibrate it, and I think I can fine-tune it by the volume of the water. Instead of baking this, because I'm worried about the plastic melting or maybe releasing toxic fumes in the oven, I'm going to be using my heat gun. So as a base, I'm going to use this purple, it's paint and primer Valspar. I would not recommend buying these. I hate these. I buy them because they come in so many different colors. These just clog up immediately. Luckily this sticks to magnets, so we're going to glue some wires onto the magnet, fix them to the bottom, allow them to hang down, and we'll glue them to Mewtwo. So I've got a couple of types of wires. Most importantly is this solid core non-stranded wire. I'm going to use these in a couple of key places to ensure that he stays in exactly the spot that we want, rather than floating up to the top if he's too buoyant. Alright, it's time to start painting. Alright, so I think that's good enough for now. Hopefully that'll look nice under the water with some light shining on it. Next I'm going to use my Valspar clear gloss sealer. Next I'm taking some hose that I glue gun together at the end, and I'm going to drill some holes in it, and that's where the air bubbles are going to come out. Next I'll be taking this old cup, cutting out the bottom, and we'll be using that to secure the entire bottom part that I accidentally broke while hammering. At the same time, we'll stick our bubble maker inside of it, and it'll come out the bottom to be able to attach to a motor to pump it. I'm going to use this JB Weld water weld to fill in the gaps right here and make it watertight. To give kind of a metallic texture to this wooden box, I'm going to be using foil tape, which is a pretty cool tape. It just sticks on pretty flat, and then we'll rough that up to make it look cooler after the fact. Alright, I've sprayed it with a number of colors, kind of goldish and blackish, kind of metallic Rust-Oleum colors. I'm going to take some fine sandpaper and just kind of wipe some of it off the top to try to reveal scratches on the floor, as if there's been some, maybe some fighting, wrestling with Mewtwo. Just get some nice weather. That's why we wear safety goggles. I probably need this glue is pretty good. Just get it up in there. I'm going to be using this fish tank oxygenator, a Whisper air pump. It was super cheap, probably terrible, but it fits nicely inside of the box that we're going to use and house all of the electronics in. So do something like that, and it'll come out the back of the box with cord. And our tubing fits nicely on top of it, like so, nice and tight. Oh yeah, that'll be nice. Once we get our lights, it's pretty cool, I think. Let's try. Ooh. I wonder how the LEDs work. Whoa. That is bright. Oh yeah, that's my favorite one. As far as I can tell from the water level, it's not leaking. Put the sealant on.
Oh my god.